Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris from Fast Cars Live. I know this has happened to you. You're getting ready, you finally have time to take the car out, and then this happens. Well, what do you do about it? Here's what I used to do. Time to go down and get Carter to see if he can come help me. Well, Carter's not home. Looks like I'm doing this by myself. Of course, the batteries aren't on the same side. Here's what I do now. The guys over at WOLFBOX sent me the new WOLFBOX Air Compressor and Jump Starter. So all you've got to do is grab the WOLFBOX, open it up, grab the jumper cables. You're going to connect black to negative and red to positive. Grab the box out, and it's nice because all you have to do is connect that clamp right there, and then basically what you're going to do is you're going to plug it in. It will turn itself on, and you start the car. All right, well there you go, the WOLFBOX Jump Starter with Air Compressor. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, mostly a jump box, but just a bonus that this has an air compressor that goes along with it. It's 4,000 amp jump starter, 160 PSI to inflate your tires, or kids' toys or anything else you might need to inflate. Comes with the adapters for that. Comes with the hose for to inflate the tires, just screws into the top like that. Also comes with a charging cable, which you can actually even charge your phone with, which is a bonus. Doing car shows a lot, a lot of times I'm recording a lot of video and need to charge my phone, so it'd be cool to be able to plug into that. It also has an LED light, which is nice because it can stay on, so if you're working in the dark, you can see what you're doing, but it also has some other modes so that you can make it flash if you're in an emergency situation. It has a booster mode, which is nice if your battery is totally dead. So it also comes with the jumper cables. Cool, because all you gotta do is plug it in to the side and it will automatically turn itself on, but it does have a boost mode. So if your battery's totally dead, you can read the instructions, but all you do is hit the boost mode and it gives you extra jump starting capability. Again, I'm really appreciative from the guys from WOLFBOX for sending this. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. Pretty small, pretty lightweight, comes with its own box. I'm going to be putting it in the bag that I take with me to car shows, so that way I always have it, whether it's to help me, which I've had both problems, flat tires and needing a jump start at car shows, but also super easy if you want to go help somebody instead of dragging some jumper cables out. So really cool, really impressed. Check them out. I'm going to post a discount code in the description here. It's good. I think they said until June of 2026. Thanks again for watching. Follow us on Fast Cars Live on YouTube and Instagram. Really appreciate it. If you can like this video, that definitely helps out the channel as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.